Hello everyone, this is me Ansari Shabnam and you're watching All About Teaching. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 7, Birds and Their Nest of your class 3 EVS. Birds are chirpy and colorful. They can fly in air, hence they are called aerial animals. Why do you think help them to fly? What do you think help them to fly? Birds can easily fly and float in air because of some special features they have. Hollow bones which make their body light, wings that are made up of light feathers, pointed sharp boat-shaped body. In addition to these features, birds also have beaks and claws. They use their beaks and claws to catch food and to build their nest. Some birds do not fly as their body are quite heavy, and penguin is one such example, as you know. Nest is a bird's home. We can see nest of birds on trees, on terrace of building, on electric poles and many other places. They remain safe from enemy and weather in their nest. The material used for making the nest also varies as per the nesting habit of different birds. Birds use many different things like twigs, straws, leaves, cotton, and even their own feather to build their nest. Birds make their nest to lay eggs and to hatch them. They keep their young ones safe and warm in their nest. Their chicks stay there till they are old enough to fly. Now we are going to learn an interesting fact and about birds and something more about nesting habits of different birds. Birds start making their nest usually in the month of April. This is very busy time for them. Making nest is a time consuming task. Different birds have different nesting habits. Some birds make their nest in special ways. The sparrow, sunbird and dove mostly work in pair to make their nest. You must have seen a sparrow in your locality. It makes its nest between the branches of a tree, on the top of almirah, behind the shelf, in the meter room or any other such corners. A crow makes its nest and it uses many materials to build it at the topmost branches of a tree. In summers, you must have heard tuk-tuk sound coming from the tree trunk. It is a barbet or a coppersmith who makes its nest in the hole of a tree trunk. The sunbird is also a very unique example in its nest making skills. It also makes a nest that hangs from the branches of a tree or a bush. It uses plant fibers, grass, spider web and feathers for making its nest. In case of weaver birds, it is the male bird who weaves the nest. The male bird weaves the nest beautifully in different shapes. The female bird chooses a nest where she feels more comfortable. Penguins live in very cold places and it is difficult to find twigs, grass or straws in such places. So what does penguin do? They collect stones and pebbles to make their nest. And you might be knowing about the fact that there are about 10,000 kinds of birds, and hummingbird is the smallest bird. It is only 5 centimeter in size. An ostrich is the largest bird. It may grow up to 2.5 meters. See here, I have shown you some pictures of the nest made by weaver birds. This is how the weaver bird makes its nest. Birds first make their nest, then they lay the eggs to raise the young ones in the nest. During the process of laying the eggs and raising the young ones, birds have to protect the young ones from various animals like cat, rats and other large birds. At this time, some animals break the nest of the birds. Thus, birds have a challenging job to protect their young ones. They should be never disturbed. We should love them and take care of them. Now our next topic is migration of birds. Some birds live in very cold regions, but it is difficult to find food and to tolerate the very low temperature of these regions in winter. So they fly to the warmer areas during the winters, and this is known as migration. Migration is moving from one place to the another in search of food, or when there is a जब हम माइग्रेशन ऑफ पीपल की बात करते हैं तो पीपल माइग्रेट्स फॉर जॉब, फॉर एजुकेशन, फॉर फूडिंग, क्लोथिंग, फॉर शेल्टर्स. This is how the same thing happens with the birds also. I hope you might have understood the chapter well, and please like, share and subscribe.